Hello guys, this is TV Coder here. In today's video, I will teach you about making a register page. So, lots of people wondering on my previous tutorial about the register page and what is background process on it. So let's get into it. Open your Atom text editor. So the opening this application will take some times. So need to be patient. So I need to close others because it's really annoys me, and need to open this up. I will open the views as well, and also the models its name is users, and need to check it out for localhost on my phpMyAdmin to see our database store located for. So we already opened this and go into my database, and there is located. And this database name, I think tbl_user, that's like this. So how we gonna do that? So first thing you wanna do needs to make your own controller. So it's like PHP artisan make controller is register controller. I already done it, so that instead for me. Otherwise you can also generate by pressing the enter button. So Laravel generates for you for register controller. So next step, we need to make your models. So what is models? Models is the place you store your data and do some queries on it. So yeah, let's get started. So you need to use PHP artisan make model. Is name of model is users. I already have the models as well, so I didn't need to do that. And the third one is up to you. There's two options. Make this table on this phpMyAdmin or making a new migrations. So need to start it. PHP artisan make migration. I think I need to check out my documentations because I really forgot. Migrations. Let's see how it goes. Is make migration like this. This name is up to you. You can use your own definition name or do copy like this. It doesn't matter for you guys. And you don't need this because it will be add more code on your schemas. And if we didn't include this, that's okay. We will generate the plain migration files. So I already done it for this, and I create this one. This located is in database folder migrations, and this is your schemas migration files on your code like this. The admins is when you try to call the migrate, it will be make it new tables in your database, and this is for auto increment. This guy right here is for a string, and timestamp is for a date time. So the down is if I want to drop the table in one database, you can also do this drop your table using down functions. So we already done it. And the next step is you need to define the models on these users. What is a define is, I will set this timestamps equals false because I don't have a create, add and updated. I really don't like it, this one, and it's really annoys me when I'm trying to insert it, so I'm setting to false. Otherwise it's okay, but sometimes Laravel, if you turn this true, is really complicated, so I leave it false. Otherwise, do it yourselves and doing your research. So the project table name, this you need to define. I want to make Laravel know this model is from this kind of table. So this guy right here is, I want to tell Laravel that this model has a primary key name ID, and the data type of the ID is integer because I want to set it on the integer since it's auto increment from the schemas. I already closed that, and I think I don't need this. This is for when I'm trying to insert the database. This field is very crucial, needs to insert it, otherwise we will return the errors. So this is, I want to next step is our main code, and we need to go into our views HTML. I define like this. I'm using a Bootstrap template, so if you don't know about Bootstrap, make sure you learn some CSS, and also there's a couple of bunch of tutorials of Bootstrap template, so I hope you will learn from there. So if you guys not really understand, I will make it a tutorial for the future videos. So I really hope I made it a time to understand this Bootstrap template. So this guy right here is from Laravel collective. The previous Laravel 5.2 is using Illuminate collective HTML. Since the Laravel 5.2 above, the project Illuminate is deprecated for only the collective, this HTML, and make it a new project is named Laravel collective, because Taylor wants to make it very simpler for developers to develop the applications. So I know I am really understand what he means. Yeah, that is for the rest. This view. This is a blade template. You can check the tutorial from the Laravel documentation. So there is a lot of tutorials of the blades templates. So, and also this Bootstrap template and Laravel collective template. So I hope you guys want to search, Google it first. And if you guys don't understand, for Laravel collective, I already made it a previous tutorial. So make sure you follow all my tutorial from beginning until now. So for the Bootstrap, you need to Google it because it will be more long for you to understand these meanings for. So back to on last thing, you need to go to the controller. We need to get the inputs name, username, and password. So this from this and this. And what is password hash? Password hash is to make it our password is secure. So I'm using default PHP 1. Since Laravel has our hash itself, but I will make it you understand to using this. And the first parameter is the user input, and second one is algorithm type of hashing passwords. So the next one, we need to call the objects name users model, and we need to set the variables from the user objects equals our from inputs, and also we need to call library name carbon. Carbon is like as far as I know for date, and I think it's really much complicated for you, but it's really well organized for carbon, so I really like it. So the same thing is we already set up this bunch of variables on from this kind of object, and we need to save this onto our database, and we need to redirect to our login routes. You can check out login routes in Laravel 5.3 is located on the routes folder itself, and there is a web.php, so you can look for that. Laravel 5.2 above, sorry, not above, 5.2 below, and 5.2 itself, it still has a routes.php on this directory roots. So I think I just need to make you understand for the logics. You can also do it by yourself, because this works because I already done this kind of things and these things and these things. So again, thank you guys for watching. If you guys like my contents, make sure you guys will subscribe to my channel and put the thumbs up on my videos, and check out on my Facebook page and my Twitter account. Make sure you follow, like them. I will put my social media links in this video description down below. I will see you guys in the next video on the next week. See you soon. Bye bye for now. Stay tuned.